Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. I'm from mechanical background. I came from Andhra and I have completed my graduation in the year of 22 with the percentage in 78. I don't have any technical non-IT background, so I choose IT because of this growth. And when I choose IT, I got many suggestions from different sides to join any institute to get to know more about the ID culture and the subject. And I have tried some online platforms like Infosys Springboard, YouTube. I have tried YouTube and some internships and boot camps. And all of those have, the subject is not that much depth. So one of my friends suggested that JSpiders is a very good institute. So why not give it a try? And I inquired about that. And I got very good positive response from them. And when it comes to JSP, they teach us from the roots in each and every subject. Like they have programs of both testing and development. I chose a development. I learned Java here, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and advanced Java and SQL. Not only the subject, but also the efforts to place a candidate is very, very good. I'm not very good in communication, and the presentation sessions and mock sessions have improved my communication very, very well. Now you can understand grooming sessions plays a very, very crucial role in placing a candidate. What I mean grooming session is, before attending to any company, if you are registered for any company, they will teach you and give you insights about the previously answered questions or interview patterns. So you will get to know what they will ask. So you will get trained. You will adapt to their environment, and you will make to change some changes in your resume, so that your resume and you got shortlisted for the company. So these many things that I have experienced in JSpiders. Thank you.